Most people believe one thing: if I earn more money, all my problems will disappear. But here's the truth, and it might sting a little. Millions of people earn good salaries, six-figure salaries even, and still live paycheck to paycheck, stressed out about money. So what's going on? In this video, you'll learn the real reason most people stay broke even with a good income and exactly how you can avoid this soul-crushing trap. Let's talk about the salary trap. A salary feels safe, doesn't it? It's predictable. Every month, like clockwork, money comes into your account. The bills get paid. Life continues. But here's the problem. Salaries create comfort, not wealth. For most people, a pay raise doesn't mean more savings or investments. It means a bigger car payment or a more expensive apartment. When their income increases, their spending increases right along with it, sometimes even faster. This cycle is how people can earn more and more money over their career, but somehow end up with nothing to show for it. They're running on a financial treadmill, working harder just to stay in the same place. That's the salary trap, and it's incredibly difficult to escape once you're in it. This leads us directly to the next point: lifestyle inflation. You get a promotion, a new job, a bigger bonus. What's the first thing you think of? Maybe it's a new phone, that shiny new car you've been eyeing, or moving to a better apartment in a nicer neighborhood. This is lifestyle inflation in action. Now let me be clear, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of your labor. The problem isn't spending money. The problem is upgrading your lifestyle before building your assets. This is the fundamental difference between how the wealthy and the poor manage their money. People who stay broke upgrade their lifestyle first. People who build wealth upgrade their income first and then use that extra money to buy assets, things that will make them more money. That one simple difference can keep someone broke for decades, no matter how much they earn. And how do people afford these lifestyle upgrades they can't really pay for? You guessed it, debt. Our modern society has completely normalized debt. It's everywhere. Credit cards, car loans, student loans, buy now, pay later schemes. We're constantly bombarded with messages telling us we can have it all right now, even if we can't afford it. People are borrowing money to look rich instead of actually doing the work to build real wealth. But here's what they don't tell you: debt is a thief. It steals your future income. Every dollar you owe is a dollar you've already spent from a future paycheck. It forces you to keep working, not for your future, but to pay for yesterday's decisions. True wealth is built by aggressively reducing and eliminating bad debt, not by accumulating more of it to impress people who don't really care. Another huge reason people stay broke is they have no investing habit. Think about how most people handle their money. They get paid, they pay their bills, they spend on wants, and then, if there's anything left over, they might save it. People who build wealth do the exact opposite. They get paid, and the very first thing they do is invest a portion of their income. They pay themselves first, the rest is then used for bills and spending. Why is this so critical? Because if you're only saving, you're actually losing money every single day due to inflation. Inflation is a silent tax that quietly eats away at the purchasing power of your cash. Saving money in a bank account will not make you wealthy. It will only make you less poor temporarily. Investing is no longer optional for the rich. In today's world, it's a survival skill for everyone. This brings up a crucial point. Having a high income does not equal financial freedom. I want you to really let that sink in. Someone earning $100,000 a year but spending $95,000 is not rich. They are one emergency away from financial disaster. They are a slave to their job and their lifestyle. On the other hand, someone earning a more modest $50,000 a year but who consistently invests a significant portion of their income can absolutely become wealthy over time. Financial freedom isn't about the number on your paycheck. It's about owning assets that generate cash flow. It's about having control over your time. Freedom comes from your investments working for you, not from you working for a paycheck. So why do smart people make these bad financial choices? It often comes down to one thing: emotion. We are emotional creatures, and we make emotional money decisions. Have you ever gone shopping to feel better after a bad day? That's stress shopping. Have you ever bought something expensive just to show off or keep up with your friends? That's status buying. Or have you ever bought something on a whim without thinking it through? Impulse spending. People who build wealth learn to separate their emotions from their financial decisions. Money requires logic, planning, and discipline. Emotion is the enemy of financial progress. It will convince you to buy things you don't need with money you don't have. Learning to manage your emotional triggers around money is just as important as learning how to budget or invest. So, how do you escape this trap and start building real, lasting wealth? It's not as complicated as it seems. It boils down to 3 simple but not easy rules. First, when you get a pay raise or a bonus, commit to keeping your lifestyle the same. Use that new money to accelerate your financial goals, not to inflate your lifestyle. Second, always invest before you spend. Automate your investments so that the money is taken out of your account the day you get paid. You can't spend what you don't see. And third, start changing your mindset. See money not as a tool for buying things to get validation, but as a tool for buying assets that will buy you freedom. Do these 3 things consistently, month after month, year after year, and I promise you, your financial life will completely transform. To wrap this all up, most people stay broke not because they earn too little, but because they fundamentally misunderstand and misuse money. They are caught in a cycle of lifestyle inflation, debt, and emotional spending. If you want to break free and build real wealth, you have to think differently. You have to act differently. If this video helped you see money in a new light, and you're ready to learn how to invest smarter and build true freedom, make sure you subscribe to the Investing Square TV. We post new videos every week designed to give you the mindset and strategies to win with money. Thanks for watching.